Hello everybody, I am RPM Nexus, and as I said in my last video, I am back in full swing, and in today's video we are going to be looking at the HMDX splash zone, so stick around because we're about to get it started. Okay, let's go ahead, let's jump right into the review. I know a lot of you are here for this review, but right after I do the review, I will give you the sound test and as well give you the rundown on the spec sheets of everything within this speaker. But anyways, guys and gals, the first thing I want to point out to you is the sound in this. I had an HMDX before, but I gave it away to somebody. I'm not too sure what I did with that particular one, but you can take a look at that video right here, and that's the very first HMDX that I did. It's called the Rave. But this one, I figured it'd be a lot better. I figured it'd have a better sound than the Rave because the Rave was a lot cheaper. Apparently, I'm wrong. I'm not sure if all the HMDX speakers are like this, but I did find the site, and I'm going to try to get some more of the other speakers, but I'm thinking they're all going to be the exact same way. And the Bluetooth connectivity to these things are very, very poor. I have this in my... As you've seen in the last video, I clean the beach, so sometimes I'm riding around in a golf cart, so I want a speaker that I don't have to worry about losing if I lose it, that kind of deal. But this is one of those ones that I prefer. If I lost it on the beach and went into the water, it's not going to hurt my pockets because it's not something I like. I got a bunch of other speakers that I like and I don't want to lose. But this one, I have it like sitting in front of me as personally, and then I will have my phone kind of close to it, you know, so I'm not holding my phone or not sitting on my phone, that kind of deal. It's not sitting in the seats, it's not in a compartment where sand can get all over the phone. It's just sitting in front of the speaker, and occasionally the speaker will drop its Bluetooth connectivity, and then you have to go back to the phone and reconnect the Bluetooth connectivity. These particular speakers, I don't know if it's just the issue with these speakers or it's just the technology, the 3.0 Bluetooth technology or whatever's in this, the type of technology that's in this, if it's not like up to specs to the newer phones, because I know I had an issue with this phone, and there's my Galaxy S8 that I had that the original Rave had as well. But I do like the colors. I do love how like big it is. It's just the sound and the Bluetooth connectivity is like the main drawback for me. But the color of it, I mean, you can't go wrong with that blue cyan. I know they have a black on black version out there, but I like this one. This one is actually from Amazon. And what I'm going to try to do for all of you out there that are watching all these videos, a lot of this stuff does come from Amazon. I'm going to try to get myself into the affiliate marketing part of it, the affiliate links, and start dropping it down in the description so you guys be able to find these products and buy them yourself. I know a lot of it's from Walmart. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find those on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure I will try my best to get it. If not, I will go with Walmart and try to start getting affiliate links with them. But okay, let's go ahead, let's jump right into the sound, let you hear how it sounds. To me, it doesn't sound like it's supposed to. A lot of the other speakers that I got, even the smaller one, the pink on one that I do review on, that's got a better sound than this. Doesn't have that deep of a sound, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you check out the sound. Let's get into the sound. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys take a listen to the sound of this particular speaker and let me know what you think it is. It may start to get a little bit loud here on you guys. I am gonna be playing some audio tracks that I have from on YouTube that I got from the YouTube studio. You know, I will play like some regular songs, because you know that's really how you're going to determine how this thing plays out. And I know for a fact a lot of these regular songs like country, rock, hip-hop, all that stuff like that, it didn't sound that well to me on this particular speaker. And I even had my phone volume up and the volume up on the speaker to see how it sounds. These are just basically like, you know, electronic kind of sounds kind of deal. I'll let y'all listen to it, but you can definitely base your opinion on this one with some of the other ones. I mean, even this speaker right here, it sounds 10 times better than this one because the bass on this one is a lot more powerful than this one does. And you can definitely check out that video right here. Well, right there. And let's go ahead, let's play a little bit of song. I'm going to play this is a pretty cool one. I'm going to play the Beatles Unite. It is on YouTube Studio. It's got a little bit of a bass to it. You can feel it kind of bouncing. But as I said, this is different type of music that it may be different depending on the style of music that you want to play. Let's go with another song. I'm going to play something kind of more mellow than something that's going to have the beat to it. This is Subway Dreams. As I said, this is on the YouTube audio, so if you want to check it out, you could go to YouTube audio music library. I mean, it actually doesn't sound that bad with this types of electronic kind of music going on, but it's just okay. Pause. I guess it's not going to pause. I guess I'll turn it off. But anyways, that is the sound to that particular speaker, and as I said, this is definitely a different sound. I mean, I so wish I could play like something that's got some singing to it, or something that you guys can really definitely hear. But as I said, of the copyright kind of stuff out there, I don't want that to happen. Okay, let's take some closer looks at this particular speaker with some little spec talk here. The first thing you want to know, it connects smoothly to any of the Bluetooth devices out there, whether it's an iPhone, whether it's a Galaxy, an iPad, iPod, it doesn't matter what you have out there. It has that smooth connectivity, and then it also has it's rechargeable for up to 5 hours of wireless playtime, which is, I think, is really cool. But it all depends on what you're doing with it. If you have the sound up really loud, that also kind of takes back some of the wireless play. And it is also splash proof. It is waterproof design, great for beaches, pool, or the shower, which is really cool. If it is designed for the beach, I am definitely going to be giving this another test. I am going to do a water damage test and take it out to the beach and see if it is great for the beach, because as it says, it's great for the beach and it's water resistant, splash proof. So if like the wave or something splashes it, it should be fine. But in general speaking, salt water is the kryptonite to a lot of electronics, because if the salt, it gets into whatever you're using and it just completely destroys it, and you don't want that happening. It's got incredible quality sound, great stereo sound, and you can also answer all your calls directly from your speakerphone. So that is really cool. That's some really awesome deals. But as I said a few minutes ago, the sound quality is totally different than what majority of these speakers I've listened to before have. It's got that smooth connectivity, but it's just, it loses its connectivity depending on how close the phone is to the connectivity. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am glad and I'm happy to be back. As I stated a few minutes ago, I will be getting some affiliate links so that you guys can pop in and get some of the stuff that I have been reviewing. And I know some of you have asked about the links to go to these products, but I will definitely get those in the description and stuff for you guys. Anyways, I am RPM Nexus, the bargain tech reviewer. And if you enjoyed this video, remember, hit the subscribe button and as well as that bell notification, guys. And I thank you so much for sticking with me, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.